So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can mute or unmute the notes option for someone on Instagram. Let me tell you that by the end of this video, I will also tell you that how you can get the new Instagram notes option if you don't see the notes at the top of your conversations list. So we'll talk about that later, but first let me tell you that how you can mute or unmute notes on Instagram. And for doing so, you first of all have to go to the profile of that person you wanna mute or unmute the notes of. For example, this is the person and I want to unmute the notes of this person. So you gotta first of all open his profile, and after that tap on this following button available on his profile. So as soon as you tap the following button, this list will be popped up for you, and from here you gotta tap on the third option, which is mute. So tap on mute, and here you get the third option, which is notes. Now if you want to mute the notes of this person and you don't want to see his notes appearing in your conversations list, just turn on this button, and now if this person posts a note, it will not be appeared up for you. And if you already have muted this person and now you want to unmute his notes for you, then this button will already be turned on. If when you go to the following and go to mute, then this button will be turned on. So now for unmuting him, simply turn this button off, and now this person will be unmuted and you will be able to see the notes from this person in your inbox. So that's how you do it. Now if you don't see the notes option in your Instagram app, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.